Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to invite friends on Discord. Inviting friends to your Discord server is a great way to grow your community, team, or just hang out. So here is how you do it. First, open the Discord application on your smartphone, or you can also do this on your desktop applications. And then once you're inside the home page, after logging in, go ahead and select your server from the left-hand side menu. After choosing the server, go ahead and tap on the human icon with a small plus in it at the top right. And from here, you can invite a friend. Click on copy link in order to copy your invitation link, and then you can use any messaging applications or even the SMS app on your mobile device. Choose a contact and invite them to the server. I'm just going to choose the Messages app here. Now go ahead and select your contact you want to invite to the Discord server, and then click on the send button in order to send the invitation. You can also send the copied invite link to your friends via Discord's DM, Messenger, social media, or even email. You can go ahead and invite them from anywhere else you want to bring them in. Your friends can now click the link and join your server. Whether you're starting a gaming squad, study group, or fandom hangout, bringing people together on Discord is that easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.